According to Bootstrap 5, total devices are divided into 6 types. Extra small, that is your mobile phone. Small, that is a tab. Medium, small mini laptop. Large, normal laptop. Extra large, big laptop. And extra large. Like big monitors will come. Range as written here. Those monitor that is up to 576 pixel called extra small. Those monitor that is 760 pixel maximum, that is called as a small device. Medium device up to 992 pixel. Large device up to 1200 pixel. And extra large device up to 1400 pixel. And extra large device more than 1400 pixel. Extra large device more than 1400 pixel. Now after that, when we are going to design the page, how do we need to write our own CSS or it's a ready-made? So Bootstrap says like, don't worry, for all type of devices, since I have divided the device into the how many types? 6 types. So for all the 6 types, I have given you the CSS. You remember the formula, you remember you can say how to use that classes. After that, your page will be responsive. You don't have to write a single line of CSS in your project. Everything is written. That is the common requirement for all the project. So let's see what is that. Like you can say for extra small device, the Bootstrap has given total 12 classes. That is here class 1 to class 12. The class name is call-1, call-2, call-3 from 1 to 12. After that, next what we have, that is called a small device. That is called a tab. So you can say their range is also written. If the screen size is between here to here, then it's come under the a small device. And what are the classes will execute for that? The classes will execute, that is called call sm1 to call sm12. Call sm1 to call sm12. This is the classes call sm1 to call sm12. This is the classes that will execute for extra small. That is called not extra small. That is called small. Your tab. Next, after that, if you have a medium device, for that you have to use the class MD1 to MD12. Again, if you have the large device, you have to use the class call LG1 to call LG12. If you are targeting the extra large device, then you have to write call XL1 to 12. And if you are targeting extra large device, that is more than 1401 pixel, for that call double XL1 to call double XL12. Okay, this is the classes for, that's called a grid system. Okay, this is called a grid system. Now after that we have written some class below. Suppose whenever we want to change the color of the text, what class we need to follow? Do we need to write our own or it's already available? No need to write our own, it's already available. That is start from text. If you want to change the text color, you have to use for initial text character as a word as a text. Text hyphen info, sky blue will come. Danger, red will come. Warning, yellow will come. Primary, blue will come. White will come. Secondary, gray color will come. Dark, black will come. Black will come. Muted, some kind of disabled color will come. This is for the text color. And again below we have, this is for the background color. So text hyphen info, for which if you are starting with the text, then it will apply for text. If you are starting from BG, it will apply for background. Like suppose body background you want to change, division background you want to change. Okay. So Bootstrap 5.6 says like, you don't need to write your own CSS. Already I have written 6-7 color combinations are there. Whichever the color combination fit with your project, you can use that color combination. So these all classes we have written. Now we are going to understand first the grid system. Okay, we are going to understand first the grid system. After understanding the grid system, After understanding the grid system, we will come to the remaining other classes. We have lot of classes in this. We need to learn and we need to make a note. So first, grid system. Okay, how to use these 12 classes for extra small, and same 12 classes for small, and same 12 classes for MD, LG, XL and double XL. Okay, so you create a file called gridsystem.html. Create a file gridsystem.html in which folder? In Bootstrap folder only. Gridsystem.html. HTML open close. After that, head will open close. Under the head section, you have to call a under the head section, you have to call a link rel equal to style sheet href equal to list is the folder name slash css is another folder. Inside the file called bootstrap.css. List css bootstrap.css. Okay, hope written. Come down, follow the body tab and open the body, close the body. For testing purpose, write here class equal to bg hyphen primary. Class equal to bg hyphen primary, and check the background of your page is which color? Blue color. Just this file you need to save under the which folder? Bootstrap folder. Even I have sent the code also. You can take that, add there and check once. So background is blue color. Save the file, run the file. Blue color, yes, no. Anyone who is not getting the blue color? Working for everyone. Okay, so remove the background now. And let's follow and understand the difference of two class. Write a division class equal to container. Class equal to container. After that, write one HR and again keep here container hyphen fluid. These two class we are going to use frequently as a parent class, as a parent element. Save now and identify. Are you finding any difference between both? Let me run again and see the difference. The container cover the full width. Container fluid will cover the full width and container will not cover the full width. It will have little margin from left and margin from right. Container will not cover the full width, whereas container fluid will cover the full width. Here is the difference. Let's look into the browser. Can you see upper portion is container and bottom section is container fluid. So there is little gap in the left side. That is because of body. Inside the body there is 8 pixel gap. That may comes here, but container is going to cover the full width. Sorry, container fluid is going to cover the full width and container is not going to cover the full width. 90% somewhere you can say. It will leave some space from left, leave some space from right. That's called margin. Some space from left, some space from right. If we have written it, we can come to the our main file. We can come to the main file. That is which file? Developer guide, and come inside and make a note here. So hope all are on the track. Yes, no, you should reply yes, no. Are you on the track or not? Okay, so let's go. Write a note inside saying like while creating the project using Bootstrap, follow the below steps. So you will write follow these steps while creating web page using Bootstrap. Follow these steps while creating a web page using Bootstrap. follow these steps while creating web page using the Bootstrap. What is the step number 1? Include or maybe link to bootstrap.css file in head section. While creating a bootstrap, link the bootstrap.css file in head section that we have done already here. Next, after that, step number 2, in, or you can write here, follow body tag. Follow body tag represent, you need to use the body tag. Okay. Follow body tag represent, you need to use the bootstrap. Sorry, you need to use the body tag. After that, step number 3, inside body, use following classes. What are use following classes? A container, B container hyphen float. Container float. Clear? So we use the container or container float. Now the difference between container float you have seen here. Whenever you want to cover the full width, you will use the container float. If you want to cover the certain length, like not full width, you want to leave some space in the left and right, you will follow the which one? Container. Okay, so that we have already added here. So this file, grid system file, we will not further extend it. We will leave here. We will create another file. In this file, you have a difference of container and container float. Next file, we are going to write container, inside container, what to do, and next what to do. So you will create the next file, grid system2.html. Next file, grid system2.html. And in that you will add the content of grid system file. You will add the content of grid system file. Okay. So next, after that, delete the bottom section, let it the first part, and from container delete everything. From container delete everything. So first step, under the head section, you must include the link the bootstrap.css file. Second is under the body, you have to follow the body tag. Third is inside the body, we need to follow the inside the body, we need to follow the container. Okay, so that we are going to write under the developer guide. So step number 1 is done. Step number 2 is also done. Step number 3, what it says, inside the body, follow the classes, either container or container float. So we follow the container. Let's come down. Step number 4, what it should be? Inside container, inside container, follow the class. Inside the container, follow the class. Inside the container, follow the class A as a row class. Row class. Row class. After that, point number 5, inside row class, follow inside the row class, follow inside the row class, follow any 12 columns from given inside the row class, follow any 12 columns from given how many? 72. So inside a row, there is no limitation. You can follow XL only or double XL only or SG only or extra large. You can follow any, how many classes? Any 12 classes from given 72. Okay. So in that, you can write below, each row can hold minimum 1 column and maximum 12 columns. Okay, each row can hold minimum 1 column and maximum 12 column. That meaning between 1 to 12 column we can write inside each classes. Between 1 to 12 columns we can write inside each classes. Clear? Let's understand next. We are going to work on the grid system to file. There we will start following the call LG first. Call LG because our laptop is coming directly under which range? LG range 933 to 1200. Everyone monitor will be between this range. Okay, and the whoever are attending online class, you should not run the browser in half screen. See, usually we will we will make half screen the browser and will run this way. So if you run in this way, you will get mislead in the bootstrap because when the screen is big size, it's called as a different device. When the screen is a small size, this is called as a browser window is a small size, called as a different device. So we will follow, suppose now we will follow the LG class. Assume we will follow the LG class. So what LG says? LG will execute between those devices whose screen size is between 993 to 1200 pixel. Now suppose I am running in the full screen, mine will come under the LG size. Okay. If you are running like this half a screen, your will come under which size? Your will not come under the LG. Your will come under the SM. Okay. So output will be different. So again conflict will happen. So better write the code and when you run the page, maximize the screen and then run and see once. Okay, like this and then see once. So we will go to the code. of grid system to file, and inside the container our theory says we need to follow a class called row. Class equal to row, open and close, and you will write a comment here saying like row end, row end, row end. Okay, hope written row end. So inside the row, what we need to follow now? Columns. How many columns? Minimum 1 and maximum 12. Let's go. Follow the division. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 1 only. Write call hello. Save the file. Call lg1. Write hello. Hello. Check now. Hello 1, hello 2. Call LG1 and call LG1. Save it and check once. Save it and check once. Both hello, hello is coming in the same line or next line. You should reply same line or next line.
Next line. Same line. Next.
It will come in the same line. Same line, same line, same line. Let us check same line or next line. See here, both should be in the grid system 2.html file. 2.html. Both are in the same line. Hello and hello. Okay, let's come. So our theory says in one line, either one column, minimum 1 and maximum how many? 12. Okay. So 1 and 1 you have written 2 happen. Follow one more, total 3 happen. Follow one more, 4, 5, 6. Check now. All 6 are coming in the same line or new line. Same line. Total 6 time hello, hello should come. So like this, total how many can be? 12. Because out of 12, you have used only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Let's keep till 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Save now. See, hello, 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 12 times would come in one line. Same line 12 times. Let us check now. 12 times. Okay, keep 13th one. Then see where it is going. Hello, 13.
You placed another line, next line.
13 is going to the next line. Yeah, definitely it will go to the next line because once the 12 column will get generated, after that there is no space in the right side. So 13 column will go to the next line only. There is no place. So what we should do every time, if you want to print in one line, then you should not exceed more than 12. Keep in mind how many maximum? 12. So this call LG1 you have written, it can be SM also, XS also, double XL also, and MD also. Minimum where to where? 1 to 12. Okay. Now, if you look into our developer guide, we have not only call LG1, we have many classes. Look at here. 1 is there, 2 is also there, 3 is also there, 4 is also there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is also there. All are there, right? Now understand in this way. Suppose here in this screen, total is coming how many? 12. And our fundamental from beginning is total screen size is 100%. Is it? Total screen size is how much? 100%. Now in the total screen size 100%, you are displaying how many blocks? 12 blocks. We have followed the 13th one also. Once we have followed the 13th one, it was going to the new line. It was going to the new line. That meaning, if we follow more than 13, more than 12, last will not come in the same line. Last will go to the next line. Okay. Now how it works? How the calculation happen? So suppose total width is 100%. 100 divided by 12. What will be the width for each column? Look at here. 8.33 percentage. So first halo is covering 8.33%. Second halo is also covering the 8.33%. If you do the multiplication of 8.33 into 12, it will come total 100%. Now look at here. 8.33 for how many columns? For single column. That is called one column, right? Look at here. You are given how many column? Only one column. In case, if you give here, call LG2, how much space it will take? How much space it will take? Call LG2 will take how much space? 8.66 into 2. 8.33 into 2. 16.66%. That will be the width as a 16.66%. Let's follow one, come down below, create the next row. You will follow one HR here, one visible line will come. Create one more division. Class equal to row. Row. Create a division. Class equal to row. Class equal to row. Inside this row, we are going to follow not exactly 12 columns. We will be following call class equal to call hyphen LG hyphen 2. So if you follow call LG2, how many column will come in this? Remember, total columns are how many? No. In one row, total columns are 12. In each row, maximum total number of columns are 12. Suppose we given here 2. So let's write here call hello you are 2. So we have given call LG2. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So total how many columns will generate? 6 column it will generate. Check once. 6 column is coming or not? 1 minute, I'll come back. Okay, so total 2 to 2 will come 6 times. Look at there. 6 time is coming. Let's go next. But if we follow one more, either 2 or 1, it will go to the next line. Because 2 and 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10 and 2, 12. Total area is cover. Follow one more HR. Come down below. Write a division. Class equal to row. In this, we are going to follow call LG3. Call LG3. If you follow call LG3, how many column it will generate? Call LG3 will generate how many columns? Reply in the chat. Hello. Hello. Yes, madam. Assistance is not available, madam. Project guide is not available as of now. Okay, so hope written. How many should come? 3 into 4. 3 into 4 I get 12. So let's write it. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. Check now. This will generate a total 4 columns. Total width will get splitted into 4 parts. So call LG3 is nothing but 25%. 25%, 25, 25 and 25 will become a 100%. Okay, let's go next. You can see here, it's the printing total 4, 3, 3, 3 and 3. Next, write a HR. Division class equal to row. Inside this, we are going to follow call LG4. Call LG4. You are from 4. So 4, 4, 4 will come how many times? 3 times. 4, 4 and 4. Check now. Four, 4, 4. So printing 4, 4, 4. Let's go. Next, you are going to print HR E division class equal to row division call hyphen LG hyphen 5. So how many 5 will come? How many column it will generate? 5, 1, 5, one more 5, one more 5, and 1 is how many? 2. 5 plus 5, 10 happen. Remaining space is how many? 2 only. Write like this. Keep some text. Save once. Save once. 5 plus 5, last will be 2. And hope it is coming also. Let's go ahead then. Next again. Create the next row. Create the next row. Div class equal to row. Inside that, you will follow a division. All hyphen lg hyphen 6, and inside the 6 print something. Create one more 6 and print something. See how it is. Both are coming the same. Now, so 1 to 6 we saw, half is coming. Now we'll create another row. There we will follow the complete college 12. College 12. Division. College 12. Close the division. And inside that, follow the div. Total width covering college 12. Our definition says in grid system, in one line you can create one column, or you can create how many column? 12 column. So one column you saw here, 1 how many times? 12 times. Another you saw here, total in only one width, that is called college 12. So if you want to cover the full width, you will follow the college 12. If you want to cover the certain width, then for that we have different number, we can use that. Certain width, then we have a different number, we can use that. Okay, so 1 to 12 we have follow. Let's go ahead, leave this file. Let's work on something else. Create next file called bootstrap color.html. Create the next file, give the file name called bootstrap color.html. Bootstrap color.html. Next file, bootstrap color.html. In that, the till body remains same every time. File name bootstrap color.html. Bootstrap color.html. The head section will be same. Follow the body and close the HTML. Go ahead. Follow a division. Class equal to container every time. Class equal to container. Yesterday video I have uploaded here in YouTube. I'll give the URL. You can download from there also later, or you can watch from there also whenever you want. Hold on, I will ping you this URL. You can take that and let's keep using. Here is the Bootstrap URL. See, I have created one playlist only for you. So all Bootstrap video I'll put here. Here is this is the playlist. Here, October 8 a.m. 2021. Let me copy link address and send to your chat. So again today Bootstrap video also evening time I'll upload there. You can see from there. So this is your link. Okay, the link I sent you. Link keep always. 14 video yesterday you sent. Yesterday video also available in the YouTube only. Download from there. From this URL. This is the yesterday video. Yesterday video is here. Okay, you can download from here. And after that, how many people are there in the chat now? In the chat, there is 14 people now. 13 people are there. Okay. So we have a target to reach here 1000 subscribers. Here 500, 439 people are there. Please subscribe that. It should reach somewhere 1000. Then benefit will happen. Link has come. You can watch the video, no problem. But meanwhile, click on subscribe link. Link is available in your chat. You can download it or play from there and click subscribe link also. Okay, let's go ahead next. So container, inside the container, follow a division. Class equal to row. Class equal to row. Next, after that, division. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 4. We follow 4 here. Okay, and inside the 4, you write a paragraph, and under the paragraph, write some random text. Okay, next after that, paragraph, put some text, and for the paragraph, write class equal to bg hyphen danger. Background will be red color, and text hyphen white. Text will be white color. Save that and check once. People who has not subscribed, they should do that. Okay, video you are taking, benefit you have, you can subscribe that. Hope written. After that, run the page, see how it look. So what will happen? Background will be which color? Red color. And text will be white color. Write a comment here. Comment you should write. Call for end. For end. For end. For end. Let's run this file. Red color. So create one more floor. Division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 4. Inside this 4, you have now a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, class equal to bg hyphen primary and text hyphen white. bg primary text white. bg primary text white. Save now and check once. Upcoming background is a blue color and text in white color. So let's create one more. Call LG for so comment will guide you because everywhere it's like it's a division. If you write proper comment will be okay, else it will get mixed up. Else it will be mixed up. Let's come next. Call LG. Call LG 4. Inside that, write a paragraph. Class equal to bg hyphen success and text hyphen white. bg success and text white. Hope ready. See, it's coming in a green color. So background also, you saw how to set the background and other thing. Background also we can set as a different color, and text we can set as a different color. It will be cross color. It will be like as a cross color, and after that it will be visible properly. Clear? Let's go next. Okay. After that, I will share you some list of the classes for margin and padding. See, the text is coming here. It is not little inside. It is completely starting from beginning and ending in the last. So text are there. It is coming inside the block only, but it's not look professional. We wanted to give some space inside. Outside gap is there because there is a gap between two columns. The gap is coming, no problem at all. But inside you need some gap. So Bootstrap has given you total 50 classes, 50, 25 classes for the margin and 25 classes for the padding. Okay, so you need to log in the chat, then you will get it. You can't write it. Okay, or you can take the photo. I'll give you that list of classes. Just hold on. So we will discuss on that list of the classes. First, you make a note. I will show you. I will give in the chat. And then we can. So hope all are in the chat. You log in. Log in. Okay, I will share now in the chat. It came here. If you want to take photo, then take the photo.
Cool.
Okay, so hope you have taken the this one, and after that add in your developer guide page. Take that list of the class and add in developer guide page. Now after that, understand. Okay. In Bootstrap, wherever we'll write one. Okay. along with margin padding. First read this. M for margin, P for padding. In the bootstrap, if you use the M character, it's represent the margin. If you use the P character, it's represent the padding. T represent the top, B represent the bottom, L represent the left, R represent the right. Okay, so what we got? Margin, padding, top, left, right, and bottom. M, P, T, B, L, R. M for margin, P for padding, T for top, B for bottom, L for left, R for right. Okay. So this is one combination. So how many combination we got? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 character. Okay. Now another one. One. When we okay, one REM. One REM equal to 16 pixels. One REM equal to 16 pixel. So in Bootstrap, many places there is a measurement on the basis of REM. When we write 1, it represents 0.25. That is called 4 pixel. When we write 2, it represents the 8 pixel. 3, 16 pixel. 4, 24 pixel. 5, 48 pixel. Okay. 5. REM, you can search full form on internet. I don't remember the full form of everything. Okay. So what is that? 1 meaning is how much? 4 pixel. 2 meaning 8 pixels. 3 meaning 16 pixel. 4 meaning 24. 5 meaning 48. Look at here. Below you got how many character? 6 character. Top how many character? 5 character. 11 character. Okay. 6 from here and 5 from here as a 11. Now you are going to generate the combination of this 11. How many it will be? Okay. M for what? Margin. And here how many? 1 to 5. So M-1, M-2, M-3, M-4, M-5, M, correct? So how many combination? M related 5 combination. P related how many combination? 5 combination. So total how many combination we got? 10 combination. Okay, look at there. Another one. T. MT. If you write MT, what will happen? M meaning is what? Margin. T meaning is what? Top. So MT, margin top. Correct. See the combination. MB, margin bottom. ML, margin left. MR, margin right. So here also we can generate the combination. P related. PT means what? Padding top. PB means padding bottom. PL means padding left. PR means padding right. You saw the combination? Now look down. When we write M-1, what it represent? 1 meaning how much pixel? 4 pixel. 4 pixel. So it will apply 4 pixel from all side. M2, what it will do? 8 pixel from all the side. Similar way, M3, how much? M3, 16 pixel. M3, 16 pixel from all the side. M4, 24 pixel all the side. M5, 48 pixel all the side. Remember? M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. Correct? That way we can give the margin. Now come to the list of 25 classes. When we write M-1, what will happen? Margin 4 pixel all the side. M-2, margin all the side. M-3, 12 pixel all the side. M-4, 12 is not there. After 8 directly is the 16. 3 represent the 16. M3 means 16 pixel from all the side. M4 means 24 pixel from all the side. M5 means 48 pixel from all the side. Look down. ML1, what it will do? Margin left how much? 4 pixel. ML2 margin right, margin left 8 pixel. ML3 margin left 16 pixel. ML4 margin left 24 pixel. ML5 margin left 48 pixel. Now you can understand here, no?
Yes, sir.
Next what we have? MR 1 to 5, MT 1 to 5, MB 1 to 5. So instead of writing BR here there, we can follow these classes now. Look under the padding. P-1 meaning is what? Padding 4 pixel from all the side. Correct. Next what we have? P-2 padding 8 pixel all the side. P-3 padding 16 pixel all the side. P-4 padding 24 pixel all the side. P-5 padding 48 pixel all the side. Clear? Okay. Next after that. See, next we have called PL, meaning is what? Padding left 1, 4 pixel. PL2, padding left 8 pixel. PL3, padding left 16 pixel. PL4, padding left 24 pixel. PL5, padding left 48 pixel. Clear? Similar way, PR for padding right, PT for padding top, PB for padding bottom. So these 50 classes, if you want to remember, then in your notebook, you need to write PM-1 equal to margin 4 pixel from all the sides. You have to write the description in the notebook. Okay. M-2 equal to margin 8 pixel from all the side. M-3 equal to margin 16 pixel all. So for all these 50 classes, 50 line of description if you write, you will never forget it. You will always remember. Okay. Then again see you tomorrow. So today video again evening time I will upload in the channel.